linguine with white clam sauce. Make it for the holidays. Make it anytime. Make it tomorrow. Hey guys, Sal Governale, big meals, small places. Happy holidays, everybody. Just a reminder, hit that subscribe button if you can. We appreciate it. Just a reminder. Hit that subscribe button if you can. We appreciate it. Share with your family and friends. And we also appreciate everyone liking the videos as well. And I'm also, in this video, singing you a special holiday song from my heart. It's Christmas time, and that's big in my Italian family. On Christmas Eve, we make the feast with 7 fishes. 7 of them. 7. Minchia, that's a lot, you know? Who wants to deal with 7 fishes? Even 5, 4, 3, 2. How about 1? How about 1 in a can? That's absolutely delicious. Today we're making linguine with white clam sauce. Real good. Really amazing. And you know what? You can make it any time of the year, so check it out. And Buon Natale. First, get a pan coated with olive oil, 5 cloves of garlic, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Get that garlic nice and brown on high heat. Not black, because black will be burnt. You want it nice and brown like that. Brown. Then add in a can of minced clams with the juice, 2 tablespoons of butter, a splash of white wine, some salt and pepper to taste, and a tablespoon of chopped parsley flakes. Then get your water. Add some salt to the water, throw in your linguine, let that cook, strain it, then take the clam juice, pour it over the pasta after you strain it, and then plate it, and there it is, linguine with white clam sauce. Out of this world. And now it's time for the taste. This is gonna be good. And by the way, if you wanna buy fresh clams, by all means, you can buy the fresh clams. It doesn't matter. But this is like for people that, you know, if you're in a hurry, you just throw in these delicious, good minced clams. Look at the fresh parsley there. Look at the chunks of clams. Add a little salt and pepper on top when you're done. Fresh black pepper, grated cheese if you want. Some people don't want to eat fish with grated cheese. I don't care. Put it on. Don't put it on. What do I care? It's not my mouth. This is my mouth. And this is my linguine with white clam sauce. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but this linguine is so delightful. So if you don't have much money and you're on the go, make linguine. I need a rhyme with go. I don't know. Boom. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Wishing you the very best 2021. Bye.